Well, I don't know whether you can see it, but this is just slowing down, almost at the end of its... But this is the coarse stone, and as you can see there's just an ever so slight wobble in it. Don't know if you can make it out. It's only when it gets down to this very low speed that there's only just this very faint shudder, vibration. And I'm putting it down to, as you can see, the stone itself is probably just ever so slightly out of shape. Just very, very faintly. Now, have a look at this one. This is the fine one, the fine stone. And this one is actually running true. Okay, that one runs true. This one just has a very slight wobble in it. Okay. There we go. And I've got to admit, this one is actually very quiet. This one is quiet. There's hardly any vibration in it. It's running very smooth. But like I said, the only time you detect any real vibration is when we get down to the lower RPM. You can probably just hear that hum because it's just sitting loosely on the bench. Actually, what I need is a glass of water. I can sit that on the bench and then that'll show vibration. But I've got to admit, this thing's quiet, it's smooth. I suppose I could have gone for always done the cheaper option, but you get what you pay for. This one really takes a while to close down. As you can see, that's about as far out as the stone is. Oh, that's not too bad. It's not bad at all. Very quiet indeed.